ネタバレになるんですけど、途中でちらっとこれが使われるシーンがありますので、もしまだという方は見ていただいて、ね、明日お昼からですね、その親父キャンペーンの主演の近藤義正さんが
フルーティーでしょ。
ここでトークショーをされる。
ちょっと
今の曲は近藤さんがすごい
ベルジャンみたいな感じ。
日の出だ準備しろ、朝日が昇れば手をかざせ、昔あるところにアウトストックでした。ありがとうございます。いい夜を。
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I'm walking out.
すごいなこれ。面白いな。これね、もう関西の人と誰が見てもわかる。
これ見たら、あ、
ね。はよ学校行かなあかんみたいな。
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. It's being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day.